Alright, this video is all about writing the equation of a line, and to do that you can use one of two formulas: slope-intercept form, where m is your slope and the letter B represents the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. That's a letter B, not a 6. So this is your y-intercept here, your xy coordinate of the y-intercept. Now, this is a very special point. Obviously, 0B has to be on the y-axis, but if you do have a 0 and a number here, then you can put that in place of the B and you've got your equation all done. Point slope form is really handy when you have some other point. That's why it's called point slope form. Again, the m is your slope, but the point is any point. It doesn't have to be the special y-intercept point. It can be any x value and any y value, and we use the notation, the subscripts of 1, to denote that a number is going to go here and a number is going to go here. Now remember, you're writing an equation. So when you're writing an equation, this stays y and this stays x because you're trying to write the equation. So this y stays and this x stays as an x. The numbers go in the other spots. Okay, so if you're asked to write the equation, you need to be given enough information to do that, and usually you're given either 2 points, and from that you get your slope value to put in place of the letter m, or you're given a point and the slope. So you have to be given the slope, or you have to find the slope some way. So if you're given, and let's just do the harder example here, because this one, if you're told what the y-intercept is, you just put the number there, put the slope there, and you're done. For example, if I tell you that the slope's 3/4 and your y-intercept's -5, then ta-da, there you are. It's all over. But this one, let's say you've got some point, say -2, -3, and your slope, let's say it's 3/4, okay? So what you're going to do, this is your x1, this is your y1, sorry the handwriting is a mess, and you're going to have y minus -3 equals 3/4. Don't let fractions scare you here. That's what calculators are for. Minus -2, so watch your subtracting negatives there, okay? Those are going to turn those into positives. And then usually it requires you to put it into slope-intercept form, so you're going to rearrange it back into this form by distributing the 3/4, and again, just use a calculator to help you do that. And so you have y plus 3 equals 3/4 x plus 6/4, or in other words, you're going to wind up with 3/2, and then subtract 3, and again, get the calculator out to help you with this. But if you take 3/2, which is 1.5, and subtract 3, you're actually not going to have a plus right there. You're going to have -1.5, or 1.5, or 3/2, whatever version you want to put there. Most students like to put decimals at that point. You want to leave your slope as a fraction, rise over run, but if you want to put your y-intercept, your b, as a decimal, that's perfectly fine. And that's it.